Today we will see how to analyze and design underground water tank in SciPy-CAD. So let's go started. Open SciPy-CAD. SciPy-CAD. We will start with new project. File name. Click on accept. Click on no. Select empty project. Accept. Here we will select our design code. Concrete. I will go with IS 456 2000 Indian code. Click on accept. Yes. Now select concrete strength M30 for slab, foundation M30, wall M30, aggregate properties I will keep it 20 mm, accept. Steel bars I will keep 415, click on accept. Okay, click on accept. Now go to story definition, new floor, keep single, accept. Number of floors to insert 1, rename it top slab, live load on top slab 2 kN per meter square, dead load like floor finish I will keep it 1.5 kN per meter square. Water tank height is 3.5 meter. Click on accept. Now go to edit floor. We can see here our story is on ground surface. As a underground water tank, it will be inside the ground, so elevation of foundation plane minus 3.5 meter. You can see here floor has gone inside the ground. Rename foundation bottom slab. Click on accept. Now add DWG file. Click on DWG file. Add water tank. Accept. You can see here our plan. My drawing is in inch scale, so I have to convert it inch to meter. Click on scale x direction 0.0254, same as y direction 0.0254. Click on accept. Yes, this is our plan. Now go to beam definition, go to wall, define wall, reinforced concrete wall. Our wall thickness is 9 inch, so left side 1.114 meter from center, same as right side. Click on pressure diagram. Pressure diagram list. Now add soil pressure. Soil pressure with infill up to elevation I will keep 0 meter. You can see here at the top soil pressure will be 0. Unit weight of soil, I will keep it 20 kilonewton per meter cube. Submerged unit weight applicable for water table. If you have any water table, then you have to input this value. If you want to add water table, just click here and input elevation height. I will go with without water table, so uncheck this. Internal friction angle, I will keep it 30 degree. This value will be changed according to your soil report. You can also select from here, then send, accept. Yes, you can see here the changing. Internal friction angle 37 degree. Now I will keep it 30 degree. Add water pressure. Click on generic pressure diagram. Water pressure will be live load types. I will add two level. Elevation 0 meter at top level. At top level water pressure will be 0. At bottom minus 3.5 meter, and water pressure will be unit weight of water into water height. Unit weight of water 10 kilonewton per meter cube, water height 3.5 meter, so 35 kilonewton per meter square. 35 kilonewton per meter square. You can see here 35 kilonewton per meter square at bottom level water pressure. Click on accept. Soil pressure from left face, you can see here. Click on add. Water pressure from right. Click view all the pressure diagram. You can see here. Here I have to edit this value at the top, 27 kilonewton per meter square. Here will be 0. Pressure diagram list up to elevation will be 0. Click on accept. You can see here at the top level will be 0. Click on accept. Go to foundation. You can select fixity and also can select foundation beam. I will go with foundation beam. Depth will be same as bottom slab thickness, 35 centimeter. Bearing pressure, you have to input this value according to your soil report. Now I am selecting from here, then send, accept. Click on accept. Now draw wall. Snap option. Okay. Extend this wall. Go to wall. Extend wall. Now delete extra portion. Go to wall, delete, select second option. Now define slab. We are in top level. You can see here. Go to slab, panel manager, define slab, flat slabs, thickness 15 centimeter. Click on accept and click here. Now introduce opening. Go to introduce opening. Introduce rectangular opening with 0 angle. Non-construction beam. Select non-construction beam. Click on accept. Okay, go to snap option. Active. In point. You can see here opening is done. Now go to bottom slab. Click here. Down. You can see here bottom slab. Define bottom slab. Go to slab. Panel manager. Define panel. Matte foundation. And thickness will be 35 centimeter, same as depth of foundation beam. Bearing pressure of soil, I will select from here dense end. Click on accept. Yes. Click on accept and click here. Now close it. We can see 3D view what we have done. Click on 3D view. Close it. Now assign load. We can assign load in two ways, from beam definition, load, surface loads on slabs. Another way from column definition. Click on column definition. Go to edit group. You can see here top slab load. Now I will input water pressure on bottom slab. Live load will be water pressure load. Unit weight of water into full height of water. Unit weight of water 10 kN per meter cube, and height of water, full height of water 3.5 meter, equal to 35 kN per meter square. 35 kN per meter square, and floor finish 1.5 kN per meter square. Click on accept. Now go to analysis. Including foundation. Analysis is done. Close. Go to result. We can see force in beam combination. Accept. Click here. You can see here force. We can also see mesh view. Go to analytical model. This is our mesh view. Also check deform shape. Dead load. Live load. We can also see the animation. Scale 1000. Click on animation. You can see the animation. Close. Now generate drawing. Go to drawing. Click on add. Drawing type floor plans. Plan type foundation. Accept. Again add. foundation reinforcement, add, accept, transverse bottom reinforcement, add, top slab longitudinal reinforcement, add, top slab transverse top reinforcement, accept, add, drawing type, reinforced concrete and masonry wall elevations. Click on reinforcement, reinforcement layout, click on accept, accept. Detail of all the drawings. You can see here all the drawings. You can export this drawing as DWG format. Click on print all, file location, accept, file name UGW tank, all the drawings in one file. Click this option to get all the drawing in one file. File name UGW tank, click on accept. You can see here all the detailing. In this way you can design underground water tank. Thanks for watching.